Demystifying Cheap Eats in English. Hello, wonderful learners. Today, we're diving into a popular and fun phrase in English: cheap eats. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means and how to use it in everyday conversations. Let's break down the phrase. Cheap. This word typically means something that costs very little money. It can refer to an item or a service that is available at a lower price than usual. Eats. A casual way of referring to food. So when someone says, eats, they're simply talking about something to eat. Together, cheap eats refers to food that is affordable and budget-friendly. Now, where might you hear or use cheap eats? 1. Travel shows. Hosts might look for cheap eats in a city, meaning they're searching for affordable, yet delicious food options. 2. Casual conversations. Friends might ask each other, "Do you know any cheap eats around here?" when they're looking for an affordable place to grab a meal. 3. Reviews. You might find the phrase in online reviews or blogs where the writer is recommending budget-friendly dining options. To cement your understanding, here are some example sentences. 1. This city is full of cheap eats. You just need to know where to look. 2. After paying my bills, all I can afford this week are cheap eats. 3. The food festival had a variety of cheap eats from different countries. And there you have it. Cheap eats is a fun and colloquial way to talk about food that won't break the bank. The next time you're on a tight budget or traveling, you'll know exactly what to ask for. We hope this explanation helps you feel more confident in using this phrase. Happy learning and munching on those affordable treats.